Good Tuesday morning, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. After a fantastic Memorial Day weekend at the Jersey Shore or anywhere they were in the New Jersey, New York, Philadelphia metropolitan area this weekend, it was sure a fine one, including New York City for Fleet Week, and we were there just yesterday. This is the video forecast discussion for Tuesday, the 26th of May, 2015. Walking out the door this morning, temperatures already climbing to the low to the upper 60s across the New Jersey, New York City, Philadelphia metropolitan area with a light southwest wind. Dew points already coming up into the upper 50s to lower 60s this morning, and it's going to make for a rather humid day across the region with a summer-like feel to the atmosphere continuing on this Tuesday, the day after the Memorial Day weekend continues. Morning pass of the satellite view this morning shows lots of sunshine and clear skies across the New Jersey, Connecticut River Valley area, Long Island, New Jersey, Philadelphia, the northern mid-Atlantic region. Taking a look at the water vapor channel, pretty much bone and dry. So much activity happening in Texas and Houston and up towards Austin and even into the upper portions of the Midwest over the last, several days actually. It's just an incredible amount of moisture. Now, the convection here has caused a lot of damage also with flooding rains in Louisiana. And this is already pushing gradually to the north and east. But our area remains under a dry, high-pressure system and subtropical air mass in place with lots of ridging across the region. And showers and thunderstorms that are developing over this area to the west are going to try to make an attempt to come into the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area over the next couple of days. And as they do so, well, there's a chance of showers and thunderstorms, but location, timing, and extent will be covered in just a moment. On the aviational weather deck today, predominantly VFR conditions through the period. Southerly winds 5 to 10 this morning, increasing to up to 20 knot gusts possible this afternoon. May see an isolated shower or thunderstorm in the vicinity of Allentown and Reading, but coverage too low to include in the terminal forecast. Most TAF sites should remain at VFR overnight, but patchy fog may develop at the usual fog-prone terminals as well. On Wednesday, possible morning MVFR fog, numerous showers and thunderstorms expected during the afternoon and early evening hours. Better chances across Reading and Allentown. We'll explain why in just a moment. Thursday through Saturday, early morning fog and stratus followed by scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Right now at Newark, it's warm, 67 degrees. That's about 10 to 12 degrees above normal for this time in the morning. Dew point 57, humidity 71%. Overcast conditions with a few clouds at 12,000, broken at 25,000. It's not really overcast. It's just that's where the ceilometer actually measures the clouds. So it's mostly sunny actually, but you would know that from the terminal forecast here. Strong southwesterly winds continue today, cooling things off, but temperatures really soaring into the upper 80s across the Newark area during today with VFR conditions in place. I have allergies, folks. That's a known. Philadelphia this morning, 67, dew point 60, humidity 79%. The wind is south at 10. A few clouds at 22,000. Scattered clouds at 30,000. VFR conditions in place. And your pollen forecast for trees today, tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday is going to be on the high to the very high side. Grass is also going to be on the very high side through Friday. And weeds, they'll be on the low side, but you're going to need your medication. Ultraviolet radiational index for this week, for today, very high. You're going to need sunscreen. Without any protection on your skin, you can burn within 15 minutes. So sunscreen is definitely going to be a must. On Wednesday, a little lower in showers and thunderstorms, but still, you're going to need sunscreen Thursday and Friday on the low to the medium, on the medium to high side as a result of the humid conditions and the high pressure in control and the sun being so close to us right now. Agricultural forecast for northern New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania from Rutgers University. And by the way, I have to say there's a fire that's ongoing in Rutgers this morning too. Unusual, the news that you can hear first thing in the morning. It's not very good news. Rainfall amounts none through tonight, 1/3 or 2/10 of an inch. Locally higher amounts possible Wednesday afternoon, and any shower and thunderstorm, and we'll show you why in a moment. Winds for spraying southwest 10 to 15 today, south at 5 tonight, southwest 5 to 10 on Wednesday. Humidity 35 to 45% today, 90 to 100% tonight, 50 to 60% and coming up on Wednesday. Dew points near 60 today, low 60s tonight, 65 to 70 and oppressive on Wednesday. Drying conditions very good today with only fair to some poor areas on Wednesday afternoon and showers and thunderstorms. There's some light dew tonight, some dew as well as wetting and early showers on Wednesday night. Possible percentage of sunshine 60% today, 20% on Wednesday. We use the NAM model off of Steve Hallett's weather site here, Steve Hallett Weather, or HallettWeather.com, HallettWX.com actually. Now, by the time we get to tomorrow, we'll have better forcing for some showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon, and this is going to be preceded by a thermal trough which is going to develop to our west around the western side periphery of the high pressure system that's already in control. These will be pulse-like storms, but some of these storms could enter the fray into northeastern Pennsylvania, just to the west of Philadelphia. Any of these showers and thunderstorms will be capable of very brief heavy downpours, lightning, hail, and obviously thunder. Now it's a 3H club that's visiting us this week. It's hazy, hot, and humid, high pressure off the coast, southwesterly flow. Sea breezes develop around the coastal waters, keeping things cooling in the afternoon with differential heating over the interior. Surface troughs and upper level disturbances moving through the polar jet mean that the chances of showers and thunderstorms will be in existence this week, but location and timing of these has to be panned out. The better chances for tomorrow, not looking at anything widespread for today, but by tomorrow afternoon, showers and thunderstorms could move through the region, especially northeastern Pennsylvania into just west of Philadelphia, into northwestern New Jersey as well. We'll be monitoring that. Also portions of the Hudson River Valley area, interior Connecticut. It's not going to show up on the global models as well, but it shows up a little bit by Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening here with the enhancement. This is a global model. When we get down to the mesoscale, this is where the pulse-like storms will develop. Any of these storms will be capable of very heavy brief downpours, thunder and lightning, obviously, and some brief hail, and obviously some flooding around the region. But most of the area will remain rain-free, so there's about a 30 to 40% chance of any of these showers and thunderstorms moving into the area. But the deal here is that cold fronts will make an attempt to, or troughs and cold fronts in the polar jet will try to make an attempt to make it through the region. And it's just going to continue with the thermal boundary in place that we have now. And by the time we get to the weekend, that's where things get more interesting, because by that time, a cold front in the polar stream will be approaching our region, which increases the cloud cover and the chances for more widespread rain, showers, and thunderstorms across the region. And this would be on Saturday into Sunday and Monday. Now, it doesn't look like it's going to be a washout in all locations, but it does mean that this weekend coming up will probably not be exactly the same as the past holiday weekend that we just went through. So for everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm Forecast Robert Smith. Have a pleasant Tuesday, and we'll be back in video form on Wednesday morning.